So this is how you can go about doing your verification on ONUS, okay, to ensure that you are ready, right? So if you are mining on Telegram, if you have been claiming the ONYX, that is ONX, as the native token of ONUS Exchange. Remember, ONUS is an exchange, existing exchange already, and they are mining their native token, which you don't have to joke with. This is not a meme coin. So if you are not on it already, please, the link will be with this video, will come with this video in the bio, wherever you can find the link, or my Telegram channel, you can have access to the link and start mining. It's just like sex.io, simple coin, even native token of Binance, Bitgate, or any other exchange, right? So this is how the app looks like, okay? So you click on it, and then actually Nigeria was not among, but we had to complain. We launched complaint on Play Store or wherever, and then now Nigeria has been included in that list. So you're just going to click on sign up for you. You're going to click on sign up, and then select your country. You're going to choose your country right now. So we're going to type Nigeria, and if you type and it doesn't appear, all you need to do is just go and update the app from the Play Store, right? I tried it and it didn't appear for me. I just had to go and update it, and you can see Nigeria here now. So I'll just click on Nigeria, and of course input your full name, your original name. Input your original name and just input your details, okay? Then you hit continue, and you'll be required to input your login details, choose a password, and if you have a referral code, you input a referral code and all that. So this video is going to come with all of that. So input your details, okay, to sign up, which includes your email, your strong password, and of course if you have a referral code, right, you enable it and then input it. Okay, so this video is going to come with referral code. After that, you click on sign up, because you are signing up, right? Remember, this is an app, an exchange app. So you hit on sign up, and then yes, email verification required. So you are going to go ahead to verify your email. So I'm just going to close this now and go ahead to my email address to verify my email first and foremost. This is it. So I will click on, this is the email they sent to me. I'll just click on activate now. You read through this and click on activate now, right? So it will redirect us to this place. Okay, look at it, saying that your account has been activated. You can use one of the following data identification, blah 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 blah. So just read through it, and then so you just have to close it, and then you go back to the app itself. You can actually log in from here, but go back to the app and then click on sign in now, right? Having imputed that login details, yes, you can see we've been signed in successfully. So I just have to enable scan touch ID to sign in. Okay, I just have to scan touch ID to sign in. So I have received this now. Okay, receive this. Okay, they are just telling me that I'm going to receive this. Let me just click on get started. And here we are right now. So we are going to continue with the process of verification. That is the KYC. Okay, I've received this as a sign-up bonus. Okay, and I don't actually know the value of this VNDC, right? But that's not why we're here. Maybe we'll get to know that later. But to continue with the KYC, you just have to click on this icon, the profile icon, and then you can see this is VIP level. I think this should be the level. Okay, daily transaction, this is what you are entitled to, or what you will be able to do with the level of verification. So to do the KYC, you click on your profile. Okay, click on your profile, and then you can see your details, and then you click on verify now, not verify. You can see it's not showing not verify. You click on verify now, and then you're going to see the requirements. Okay, account verification, unlock all investment features, receive this and that. You know, we earlier received 250 or something like that, or 25,000 VNDC. Okay, so we're going to receive this when we're done with the verification. These are the requirements: personal information, ID card or passport. Then I think you're going to make a recording just like this. I'm going to make a recording like this. Okay, and this is what it's showing. So I'm just going to click on get started. Make sure you have all these ready. Okay, and then choose type of ID. So I'm going to choose my passport because that's what I'm going to use. So you take a photograph, just do it, and then let me quickly do it and we'll continue, right? So after that, after taking the photo, you hit, if you're sure it's okay, you hit on next, and then you input your details. So when you are okay with that, you just hit on next again, and this is the last stage, and you have to take note of this: no filter. Important notes, okay? No filter, don't record from other screen, don't wear hat in the video, move your head, blah 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 blah. So you just follow the instruction and then you click on start to complete it. Okay, you can see it said completed, and I think I have to click on request and then activate smart OTP to continue. Then I'll just click on activate now. I'll hit on this activate now, right? And OTP will be sent to my email successfully. I'll just have to go and copy it. Yeah, I'll copy it. Yes, this is it. I'll copy it and then head over and of course paste it, and let's wait for a while. The smart OTP function was activated successfully on this device. You can now use smart OTP to continue, and then I'll hit on continue, and of course send authentication success. Please wait for system confirmation. I'll just click on done, and your request has been accepted. The review time usually takes 48 hours, blah 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 blah. So that's all you need to do. Okay, say waiting for approval. That's all you need to do to set up your ONUS account and do your KYC verification. So we're going to wait for the approval, right? So when you go back, you can also see that here you can verify your social media, okay? Telegram, Facebook, and all that. So I'm just going to show you example Telegram first, okay? So when you click on Telegram, you are going to input your username, okay? In case you don't know how to do that, you just head over to your Telegram, and of course go to the setting, go to this draw down menu, and then you're going to see your profile, and you just copy. This is your username that you need to copy, so you just click on it and then copy username. You head over and then input it here, okay? Username or this or the user, whatever. So you just going to click and then you click on verify, and you'll be sent an OTP also. The one-time password will be changed after blah 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 blah. You click on verify. Update information successful. Yeah, so that's it. Then you click OK. You go back and you see that my Telegram has been actually registered and verified. Okay, that's it. If I want to change, I can edit and change as well. So let's just wait for the confirmation of the KYC. So guys, after some hours, we got a message from ONUS about the KYC. Let's click to see, and it says ONUS account verification request approved. So it's been approved after some hours, right? And if we go back to the ONUS app, you are going to see, if we go to the profile icon, and then we click on the my profile, you are going to see that it's been verified. Okay, this is ticked, and I am good to go. If you go back to this VIP level, you are going to see that it's VIP level 1, and I think that's pretty much what you need. That's all you need to get verified. Okay, do yours now and get verified. That's what I do whenever I get into any platform, exchange, or any other airdrop or whatsoever platform that requires KYC. Do your KYC first so that you have no problem with withdrawals, especially. Okay, I'm not talking about deposit. You can deposit whatsoever, you can have any asset right inside that exchange or platform, but taking it out, you need to have your account duly verified. So that's gonna be all for this video, man. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.